Hey everyone, what's up? It's Digital Royalty. Feeling stuck in your 9-to-5 job? Working long hours just to make ends meet? It's rough out there. If you're tired of that cycle and want to break free, I've got some good news. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 online side hustles you can start today. We're talking real ways to boost your income and take control of your time. First on our list is freelance writing. You don't need to be a literary genius to make money writing. If you've got a knack for words, there's a huge demand for content writers in nearly every niche. Businesses are desperate for people who can write clear, engaging copy, whether it's blog posts, articles, or product descriptions. You can do it all online, from anywhere. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelance writers with clients. You can set your own rates and work on projects that fit your schedule. All you need is a laptop, a decent internet connection, and your writing skills. Alright, moving on to number 2, online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in any subject, math, languages, music, coding, you can find students eager to learn from you. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, and Preply make it easy to connect with students and start teaching online. These platforms provide all the tools and resources you need. You can also create and sell your own online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. It's a great way to build a passive income stream. Online tutoring and teaching are incredibly flexible and rewarding. Now, let's talk about number 3, social media management. Every business, brand, and influencer needs a strong social media presence. Most of them are too busy to manage their social media effectively. If you're a social media whiz, this could be your perfect side hustle. Businesses are constantly looking for people who can help them grow their audience and drive sales through social media. Social media management is a super flexible side hustle that you can easily fit around your existing schedule. Alright, moving on to number 4, dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell physical products online without holding any inventory. You create an online store, find products from suppliers, and list those products at a markup. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles the inventory and shipping directly to the customer. Platforms like Oberlo and Spocket make it easy to find high-quality products to sell. Dropshipping is a fantastic way to start an online business with very little upfront investment. And last but not least, number 5, becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you help busy entrepreneurs and business owners stay organized and productive. Tasks include scheduling appointments, managing emails, handling social media, and more. You can specialize in a particular area that aligns with your skills and interests. You can find VA gigs on platforms like Upwork, Indeed, and through networking and online communities. Being a VA is a fantastic way to gain experience in different industries and build your portfolio. To sum it up, there are plenty of online side hustles you can start, even with a busy 9-to-5 job. The key is to pick something that excites you, and then set aside time each week to work on it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to boost your income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck with your hustle.